There's a specific reason why the skin produces an oil that can keep us from sand, wind, or solar rays. This can protect us from wrinkles, from aging, and many other processes that sometimes are inevitable. But there are specific oils, seed oils, natural oils, essential oils that are very beneficial for the skin. These are so impactful and so beneficial that many companies are using oils and know how to use oils for your skin. But which are they, and what do they do to your skin? How can you benefit from them at home? If you have some type of oil like olive oil, coconut oil, how does it benefit you from using it every single day? That's what I'm going to reveal to you in today's video. In a world full of cosmetic products packed with synthetic ingredients, what if we went back to the basics? Basics like natural oils. From olive oil used with ancient Greeks to modern day favorite oils like rosehip oil and many others, these are very powerful solutions that you might find in your kitchen. Believe it or not, so powerful that hundreds of companies use these oils because they know how beneficial a simple drop of oil can be for your skin. You can use it at home if you know exactly which ones to use and how to apply them, because this is extremely important. Now, before I continue, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. I've always been surprised the amount of people that watch my videos, but sometimes are not yet subscribed. Go ahead and press that bell notification button. Maybe a new video that I publish with something I say, God knows what I may say in the future, can actually, with a very specific thing that you change in your life, could actually save your life. Number 1, olive oil. When we talk about olive oil, we're going to talk about that extra virgin olive oil. We're not talking about that synthetic, maybe heated up olive oil by extraction that are sometimes cheaper. We're talking about the pure, cold pressed, virgin, extra virgin olive oil. That's the one we need. Now, olive oil is not only known for its internal health benefits, but also it's a powerful skin regenerator. Its squalane, that's a substance, okay, is a component similar to natural lipids on our skin and has a very specific function on our skin. It keeps it hydrated without leaving that greasy feeling. Obviously, you have to use a little amount, very small amount, not to keep that greasy feeling on your skin, but it makes a great ally for a mature skin, for people that are already over 40 or 50 years old, preventing wrinkles and improving elasticity. Now, the way to use it is basically at any time during the day. You can use olive oil as a face mask, maybe as a hand, a lotion, in any way possible, but make sure to keep it there for 20 to 30 minutes to have some type of benefit stay on your skin before you go and take a bath or cleanse yourself properly before going to bed. You can use other oils also, obviously, and that's what we're going to talk about in a minute. But if you need something natural that can keep your skin hydrated, that has vitamin C and many other ingredients like olive oil and many others, look for Revival C, Renew Skin, and Hydrotriplex from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. Number 2, coconut oil. Coconut oil is very popular right now, and there's a specific reason why. Coconut oil is rich in concentration of essential fatty acids like vitamin E and allows it to become a protective layer on the skin, acting as a barrier against free radicals and aging that might come up due to sun exposure, maybe sand exposure, or even wind exposure. It can get damaged. Your skin can get damaged with the sun, the wind, and the sand at any point during the day. Now, by using it, it has a deep moisturizing power that makes it an excellent option for combating a dry, rough skin and also softening lines that might appear due to wrinkles or aging. Coconut oil can be used, but my advice to you is that you can use it only once a week. Don't use it every day because it tends to be a little, let's say, harsh on the skin if you use it every single day. Remember, it's an antifungal, antibacterial, and can be used any way you want. If you need something natural for your skin that can keep it free of acne, free of maybe accidents on your skin that might be appearing due to a cut or any other wound, look for Acne Clear. Look for Hydrotriplex and Yalu Squad, which will help you form hyaluronic acid in your skin and is extremely helpful. Number 3, grapeseed oil. This oil is especially suitable for people with acne. It's very effective as a combination of maybe other creams or other treatments to treat an acne-prone skin. Thanks to its lightweight texture, and this is very important because you don't want a heavy oil on your skin. It doesn't clog your pores, while its antioxidants also protect the skin from aging and environmental factors. It also keeps your skin firm and gives it a more toned appearance, keeping you young, free of wrinkles, wrinkles, free of other ingredients on your skin that might look heavy and not make your skin look youthful the way you're looking for. If you need something natural that will keep you away from wrinkles, by means I can tell you that really works, look for Sensoline, Revival C, and also Yellow Squad from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. Number 4, avocado oil. Avocados have extreme oil content, the entire fruit. You can use the fruit as a mask, but also avocado oil just by itself is perfect. Now, thanks to its content of vitamin A, D, and E, avocado oil deeply nourishes the skin and helps restore that skin barrier, ideal for a dry and mature skin. It also promotes hydration, keeping you youthful at the same time and keeping your skin full of life, right? That's what we want. We want to see someone's skin that is full of life, hydrated, that looks firm. And this is what avocado oil does. Now, what most people use it for is actually for preventing aging and protecting the skin from sun damage, because it has that effect. Giving you vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin A has that effect on your skin. Remember, you need vitamin E. You need to take vitamin D, but sometimes applying it to your skin is even better because it reflects many of the risk factors or the environmental factors you see every single day. If you need a supplement that has that vitamin D and vitamin E, look for Vital E, Vitamin D 2000, and also Hydro Triplex, Renew Skin, and Revival C from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. Don't forget to give this video a like button, don't forget to share, and don't forget that many of the oils you have at home might be the solution you're looking for, not something expensive that you might buy that doesn't have the effect you want. God bless and take care.